so you're just gonna put this out there, huh? Well, why not? You know, we like sharing with everybody and helping other people, and even though we can't help them physically, we help them the best we can. No, well, we help them physically too. Yeah, we show them, well, we're gonna show them, aren't we? Yeah, we are. We're gonna show them how we do things. We do them little bits at a time, because that's all we can do. Yeah, do this, sit down, do that, sit down. Yeah, that's what we do. Yeah, we keep it up. We keep. Boy, this place is gonna be filthy though. I know. Well, we got to get this. We got the Swiffer all charged. Yeah, and Robo. Yeah, we need to get Robo out. Maybe we should have Robo over here ready and cleaned and ready to go. So we don't have to be too close to it. Yeah, that cat hair is going to be everywhere. Ah, Smokey. Oh, hey, hi over there. How you doing? We're talking about, we're going to get ready. We're making a video on, I got to move all this stuff here to the other side of the room so we can clean behind it and underneath it, because the cat here's hiding right there. Oh yeah, you can probably name them. And so we're going to show you what we do, since we're an Oxygen COPD family. And we're using my oxygen. I got it set at 2 liters. Okay. And in my video I just did, I did my blood pressure 128 over 74 or 72, whatever it was. Oxygen is 98. Heart rate is going down. It's going to jump way down. It's going to jump way up too. Woo! 98 is the oxygen, and 65, 66, 60, whatever. 97, whatever. See? Can you see it? Does it show? I don't know. Anyways, I got some music I'll play while I'm moving this stuff. And let's turn it down a little bit, because it's going to be really loud for you guys. And yeah, it's a song of me singing, okay, about oxygen while I'm moving this stuff. So I hope it entertains you. Ready? Here we go. Goldie's sitting right here. Ready, girl? Let me just sign first. The lights are on, but you're not home. Your mind is not your own. Your heart sweats, your body shakes. Another breath, but it takes. You can't sleep, you can't eat. There's no doubt, your energy, your throat is tight. You can breathe. Another breath is all you need. Whoa! You like to think that you're immune to this love. Oh yeah! Let's get Robo! It's closer to the truth to say you can't be nothing. No, you're gonna have to face it. You're addicted to it. Signs, but you can't read. You're running at every speed. Your heart beats in double time. Another breath, and you'll be fine. A one-track mind. You can't be saved. Oxygen is all you crave. If there's so much for you, you don't mind. If you do, whoa, you have to think that you're immune to this stuff. Oh yeah. Closer to the truth to say you can't get nothing. No, you're gonna have to face it. You're addicted to air. Might as well face it. You're addicted to air. Might as well face it. You're addicted to air. Might as well face it. You're addicted to air. Might as well face it. You're addicted to air. keep trying another breath, and you'll be fine. Whoa, you can let your immune to the stuff. Oh yeah. Listen to the truth and say you can't get enough. You know you're gonna have to face it. You're addicted to air. Might as well face it. You're addicted to air. Might as well face it. You're addicted to air. Might as well face it. You're addicted to air. Might as well face it. You're addicted to air. Turn it up. Higher. More. Woo. I mean more. Oh my God. You might as well face it. You're addicted to air. Woo! Next time. Woo! Try and take a break. When I was young, I never needed anyone. And making love was just for fun. Those days are gone. Living alone, I think of all the friends I've known. When I dial the telephone, nobody's home. All by myself, don't wanna be all by myself anymore. All by myself, don't wanna live all by myself anymore. Hard to be sure. Sometimes I feel so insecure. And love so distant and obscure remains secure. Don't worry, Robo, I won't throw you into the sun. Yeah, you don't like the sun, do you? Get to it, come on. All by myself, don't wanna be all by myself anymore. All by myself, don't wanna live all by myself anymore. Oh, what's the next song?
And so it goes.
And so it goes. Oh. This machine is having issues today. No, I don't want Angie. I don't want that one either. Oh, there we go. Ready? Woo! Sing it with me! On the day I was born, nurses all gathered around. They gave the wonder plenty of sound. The head nurse spoke up, said leave this one alone. She could tell right away, that's the bone, that's the bone, that's the bone. Bubble baby, yeah, bubble baby, yeah, bubble baby, yeah, that's the bone. I put 1,000 hearts before I make you. I'll pray for the fourth baby before I'm through. I want to be your first baby, you're good as low. I'm here to tell you, honey, I'm bad as a bone, oh, bad as a bone, oh, bad, oh, baby, oh, baby, bad as a bone. Come on, bitch! Oh, big clump of dust down there! Make this woman big, make a good girl woman steal. Make an old little blush, make a young girl squeal. I'm the yours pretty baby, you're yours alone. I'm here to tell you, honey, I'm bad as a bone. Come on, baby, come on, baby, come on, baby, bad as a bone. I walk the streets, keep the kids outside. Every woman I meet, they all stay satisfied. I want to tell you, pretty baby, I want to see you make your own. I'm here to tell you, honey, I'm bad as a bone, bad as a bone. Come on, baby, come on, baby, come on, baby, woo, bad as a bone. Sing with me. Yeah, it's just my nose are going.
y'all next time.
Woo! Okay.
I might lose my mind, waking when the sun's down, riding all these highs, waiting for it to come down. Walk these streets with me, I'm doing this with me, just glad that I can breathe. Yeah, I'm trying to realize it's alright not to be fine on your own. Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through?